time to wake up. Breakfast is here. It's 8:30. We were supposed to be there. Good morning, everybody. Breakfast today is a bit different, but still looks really yummy. So this is the car where we're sitting. We're sitting in the trunk. So we're going swimming in the jungle today. This has been on my bucket list for as long as you can remember. Okay, this is really awesome. We're back to where we were yesterday. Ew, I stepped in poo. We're back to where we were yesterday, but today we're not going to walk around in the jungle, but we're going to go swimming! So, I just wanted to wash my feet, so I stepped here and I thought, oh, sand, but obviously not. Oh. Poor shoes. Oh my goodness. Good motto for all life. Less of a tourist path now. I mean, still tourist path, but closer to the ground. So yesterday we found out that the reason why they put up the boardwalk is because people got lost in the jungle. There was a lady from the US, I think. She went missing in this jungle 10 years ago, and she's been missing for 10 years. And apparently some psychics or whatnot said that, oh, she's still alive with the native people. But we'll never know, you know. There was another girl, also a Malay girl, who got lost for 2013. He said she was on a school trip taking pictures and then got lost, and she was in the jungle for 19 days all by herself. And at one point there was a guide and two just tourists, and they made a fire and they were cooking something. She saw the fire, she went there, and first they were like, ah, is this a zombie? And then we found out that, oh, it's the girl that went missing, and they rescued her. So yeah, now we appreciate the boardwalks a bit more. Fly in my eye. Tonsils! More and more tonsils! Guys, we're sweaty and we're here. Yeah, and it's pretty. Look. It's like some fairy mystical, like with magical powers or something. It's like, it's brown, but it's clear. It's because of the bottom. It's an orangey. Well, you'll see. Let's go swimming! This is really nice. Little fishies, can you see? Let's go swimming! So now we're here nicely, and then all of a sudden we hear this buzzing that you can probably hear too. And look, we have some friends! What? One more? Why on earth can't we just swim in peace? Imagine getting driven over one of those. Ouch. Would somebody please tell me where all of them are going? Oh, and there's another one over there. What? And more. There's the boat that almost ran you over. You're still alive though. Our pretty moms. Rain, 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 it's raining!
It has just started to rain and I mean we're already wet, but we don't want to get caught and get our clothes soaked and our belongings soaked. And also there's the problem of having driven here in the trunk of a car.
But it was awesome.
It was awesome, but then think about rain pouring down in buckets and then sitting in a car with, well, not even sitting in a car, in a trunk of a car. An open trunk, no roof. Hope it doesn't go too hard on us.
It's one of our favorite spots so far.
Yes.
Because the water wasn't too salty. It was actually, okay, it was not salty at all whatsoever.
Yeah, it wasn't salty at all.
So refreshing and warm. And we just, at one point, we just lay down on our bellies with snorkeling gear and we just looked at the fish and they would, if we lied super duper still,
for a long
they
time,
would come and nibble at us. They were so cute and funny.
We don't call them nibbles because that sounds very dangerous. They're more like little
fishy kisses. Was that a poop?
Ah, the monkey! The monkey just pooped. Ah! And we're on our way back now. Our truck is here that we get to sit in.
Bye! We're gonna miss this place. This is
На 5 часов. Доедете лохни.
our friend coconuts. And banana. Dentist to be very exemplary teeth she has indeed.